Clinics and doctors' offices scrambling tonight to figure out how to serve you.
The number of patients in Jackson County with health insurance skyrocketed with the Affordable Care Act. NBC5's Cassie Nelson is live with more on what facilities here in Southern Oregon are doing to keep up with demand. Cassie?
Craig, Natalie, Jackson County Mental Health's Clinical Operations Manager says the number of patients they're now seeing has more than doubled since last year, making this their busiest year. And Asante says they're in the same boat. They've already hired over 1,000 new employees and are looking for more. It's been 9 months since the Affordable Care Act went into effect, and since then, more than 380,000 Oregonians have enrolled in the Oregon Health Plan, and healthcare providers in Southern Oregon are feeling the strain.
Last month was a new high for the number of adults that have presented for services here at Jackson County Mental Health, and the numbers have not decreased.
Rick Rollins is the Clinical Operations Manager at Jackson County Mental Health. He says they expected 8,000 OHP members in 2014, but got 16,000.
They've doubled in less than that full year, and we have certainly seen that same increase in the number of clients that are presenting for services here at Jackson County Mental Health.
Rollins says they're seeing about 200 adults every month for mental health services and 100 children. They've already hired 45 mental health clinicians and support staff to keep up.
But even that has not been sufficient to meet the need.
And according to their website, they still have 14 mental health positions available. And they're not the only ones needing more help.
In the last 12 months, we've hired almost 1,200 employees at Asante.
Robert Begg is the Director of Human Resources at Asante. He says they're still looking to fill more than 160 positions.
Our census at the hospital has been higher than it has been for a long time.
And they're hoping to fill them as soon as possible.
It is difficult because, again, you're working the staff longer. Some of the part-time people have to work more hours than they're used to. It, stretches the resources of the hospital.
Finding qualified workers is a task. Jackson County Mental Health says they've hired locally. Now they're looking all over the country. Asante's search is national too, but they hope to hire people from Southern Oregon. Live in the studio, Cassie Nelson, NBC5 News.